Hi guys. So today we are going to be looking at something completely different because I found this new awesome AI tool called Ideogram. For the Q4 Christmas designs, I decided to use Ideogram AI to create all of them. I spent a lot of time working on this project, and I was able to create over 100 prompts for my print-on-demand designs. If you want the ebook version in PDF format, you can check the link in the description below to download it. In this video, I'll show you some of the prompts I created and what kind of Christmas designs you can create with this new AI. The first thing you have to do is log into Ideogram AI. I don't think Ideogram has a free version, so you might have to pay to be able to access it. Once you have logged in, you'll see the screen. This is where you create the magic. I'm going to show you how to generate images, but first let's go to the ebook. So this is the ebook. This is how it looks. These are all the prompts that I've put together. They are all about the Christmas holidays. You can use these designs for t-shirts, mugs, stickers, or any kind of print-on-demand products. To create the designs, I'm just gonna copy this prompt. Then go back to Ideogram and click on this box right here at the top and paste it. I'll go to the settings and turn the prompt magic off, change the aspect ratio to 3:4 because I think it's better for t-shirts. Then I'll change the style option to design. This is very important, so make sure you change it to design. Then I'll leave everything else as is. I'm going to click Generate to create the designs. I'll click on My Images button at the top, and it's going to take me to where all my personal images that I created are. So here are the designs. I absolutely love this one. Just look at all the details on the ribbon. This looks amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the 3 dots button at the top, and I'm gonna select download. You can choose PNG or JPEG, but I'll go with PNG because the quality is better. Now, before I show you more prompts, let's talk about the Ideogram image size. The default resolution is about 1000 pixels, but you can use the upscaler to increase the size of your image. All you have to do is click on the upscale button and adjust the resemblance and the detail slider to your liking and click on upscale. When you scroll down below, you see that the size has changed to about 2000 pixels on the longest side, and if you go up, you see a split view option where you can see the difference between the before images and the after. You can't really see a lot of differences here, but the truth is that as a print-on-demand seller, you want as much details in your design as possible. So I advise you to do this for all of your designs to ensure that you get the best images. Now I'm just going to delete this prompt right here, and let's try creating another design from the ebook. So I'm going to go back to the PDF and select a new prompt. I'll paste the new prompt and leave all the settings as is because I've already set it up the first time, so I don't need to repeat it anymore. I actually love this design. This is perfect for a newborn baby girl. You can also change the color to blue if you want it for boys or any other color you prefer. But this is for newborns like 1-year-olds. These sell really well because new parents like buying these types of designs to celebrate their babies. I actually love this one because of the sparkle. I mean, look at all those beautiful details. Look at the glitter on the number 1. I'll just go ahead and download this one because this is my favorite. I'll show you one more design from the PDF. There are so many options you can create. This time I'm gonna edit the prompt so you can see how easy it is to customize them. And once I'm done with the editing, I just click on the Generate button. These are absolutely beautiful. I love the details on the snow globe. They look amazing. Look at the reindeer and the tree inside the snow globe. Oh, this one is so cute. It has a scarf around its neck. I mean, these are some amazing, timeless designs. I don't really like this one, even though I love the pose of the reindeer and the details on the snow globe. And this one is also okay. I want to do one last design from the PDF because it's not Christmas without Santa. This is such a happy design. I mean, look at how cute the characters looks. This is the Santa and snowman in the holiday spirit. I don't really like the colors in this one, but it also depends on your niche market. With this one, you can change the colors and change the text, whatever you want. But that's not my favorite. This one is actually my favorite. I think I prefer the snowman not having legs. It actually makes it look better, and so I'm going to just download this one right here. Okay, so these are some of the Christmas designs that you can create for print on demand with Ideogram AI. If you want the ebook, the link is in the description below. I'm sure that you will enjoy creating your Christmas designs with this PDF because it would make things so much easier. I mean, just look at the details and the designs. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel because I'll be creating more tutorials on Ideogram. I love the simplicity of this tool, and I'm going to show you the ins and outs of it, so make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye.